Click on the link below to get price. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5 Gen 10 gaming desktop PC with NVIDIA RTX 5070 is a powerhouse designed for serious gamers and content creators alike. Upon unboxing, the sleek design immediately stands out, blending modern aesthetics with practical functionality. The RGB lighting on the chassis adds a vibrant touch, customizable through Lenovo's software, which enhances the overall gaming experience. Performance-wise, the RTX 5070 graphics card is a game-changer. It handles the latest AAA titles at high settings with ease, delivering stunning visuals and smooth frame rates. Whether diving into expansive open worlds or engaging in fast-paced shooters, the performance remains consistent. The support for ray tracing technology elevates the graphical fidelity, making games look more realistic than ever. Coupled with an Intel Core i7 processor, multitasking is seamless. Running high-intensity applications alongside gaming doesn't cause any noticeable lag, showcasing the robustness of this machine. The cooling system deserves a mention as well. The Legion Tower 5 employs an effective airflow design that keeps temperatures in check, even during long gaming sessions. The fans operate quietly, which is a plus for those who prefer a tranquil environment while gaming. Storage options are generous, with a combination of SSD for fast load times and HDD for ample storage space. Booting up and launching games is lightning fast, a feature that many gamers will appreciate. Lenovo also provides a variety of ports, including USB-C and multiple USB-A, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of peripherals. In terms of build quality, the chassis feels sturdy, and the internal components are easily accessible for upgrades, which is a significant advantage for future proofing. The included keyboard and mouse, while functional, could be upgraded for a better gaming experience. Overall, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5 Gen 10 gaming desktop PC with NVIDIA RTX 5070 impresses with its performance, design, and upgradability, making it an excellent choice for both gamers and creators seeking a reliable and powerful machine.